In this video, we're going to be going over our vertical and horizontal toolbars, as well as our call control buttons. Our very first button here on our vertical toolbar is your agent status button, where you can go to change your status and assign yourself a phone. Next, we have favorites, which we are not planning on using at this time. Chat, we are not using at this time. Please use Teams. Video call, we are not using at this time. Please use Teams. Your calls will land under here. This is not where we go to make outbound calls to a patient, but where we would go to make calls to another agent or to our manager can be made from here. You can also see your call history and your inbox. We also have inbox, which is where you're going to be able to see your voicemails. Agent assistance is not turned on at this time. And then finally we have interactions. This is where you're going to be spending the majority of your time making calls. Across the top we have the activity page, which will bring you here to your landing page for yourself as an agent, where you're able to see an overview of your information. Your scorecard and schedule will also be found here when those are turned on. Your directory for your internal and external contacts, as well as performance to see your own performance and your queue activity. We also have a search bar here for searching for other individuals to call them. And if you are an agent who goes on queue, you would put yourself on queue by toggling this over here. On queue is blue, off queue is gray. Our call control buttons are only viewable when we are on the call with a patient. So to show you what those call control buttons look like now, our very first one is going to be a dial pad, which allows you to use the dial pad. This microphone allows you to mute the call. This pause button allows you to put the patient on hold. The arrow to the right is for a blind transfer. The 2 people together are a consult transfer. The 3 people together is a conference call. And this last button over here with the phone with the downward arrow allows you to disconnect your call.